So, this is the poem that we are going to read today. We Wear the Mask, and it is written by Paul Laurence Dunbar. Let's read the poem first, then we will get into the meanings. We wear the mask that grins and lies. Grins means to laugh. When we laugh, there is a line uh, in our mouth or beside the mouth, beside our lip lines. That is grinning. And lines, when you laugh, there are some facial expressions, that is the lines. It hides our cheeks and shades our eyes. It hides our cheeks. If we have any deformative part or someone who can understand of the grief that we are going through, that will not show when we are wearing a mask of smile and pretend everything to be fine. We wear the mask that grins and lies. It hides our cheeks, shades our eyes. This debt we pay to the human will. With torn and bleeding hearts, we smile. Our mouth with myron subtitles. Now the next lines tells the human cry. With torn and bleeding hearts, their hearts are bleeding. Their hearts are bleeding with sorrow. This is the poem that has been written by about the lives of African American after the Civil War. It is the phrase that you can it is the time where they pretended to be okay. They pretended that they are getting along everything, but they always hide the miserable plights of their life. They were going through a miserable phase. After a civil war, after the civil war, many people had died. The economic has crushed down. The country was not in a good place where the people were getting the where people were getting unemployed. There were no jobs, the people were crying and the people had no food. The the society was devastated for many some reason after the civil war, but still people uh, wore the mask. They were pretending to be happy, yet they were not happy. They were bleeding hearts. With the bleeding hearts they were smiling, and they were smiling for one reason, because they didn't wanted to show their frustration and their painful realities. What they thought, that if they pretend to be good, if they pretend to be happy, no one will come to know about their plight. So no one can judge them. Oh, they can't be suffered, or they no one will look at them with a pity in their eyes. Why? Let's read the second stanza. Why should the world be overwise on counting all our tears and sighs? Nay, let them see us while we wear the mask. What is it saying? It is saying that they don't want the world to know about their sadness. They don't want to know about their misfortunes that they are going through after the civil war. All they want that people should know that they are happy, they are overcoming with the grief of the war, and they are doing well, they are coping it up. So they are wearing the mask. They don't want to show their grief. So in the next some lines we will see, we smile, but O Christ, our cries to thee from tortured souls arise. We smile. Here, the people are saying we are smiling because we know the Lord Christ, their God. The Christians, they follow Jesus Christ and they are praying to Him. Only you know what we are going through, and that is enough for us. We are going to fight with it, we are going to fight with our situation, and we will surely overcome. To thee the tortured souls arise. We sing, and O clay is vile, they are singing prayers to the Lord. And the body is that is made up of clay. You know what is clay? Clay is mud. They believe that their body is made up of clay, and so they have the custom of burying the dead body so that it gets mixed with the with the soil. Beneath our feet is a and the long miles. Let the world dream otherwise. They are very much attached to the Lord, and so they want that the God will come to them as a, you can say, as a blessing. They will bless him, he will bless him, and they will get the blessing from him, and they will surely overcome, but they don't want their grief to be shown to the world. And this is the gist or the summary that you can say about the mask, the poem, the We Wear Mask. Now there are something that I need to tell you. The major theme, every poem has a major theme. Major theme means there is a central